Coconut oil sugar scrub. This scrub is easy to make at home. It contains rose petals, and you can use both fresh or dried for this recipe. How to make it? Add into your blender these ingredients: 1/2 cup of fresh or dried rose petals, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and 1 cup of regular white sugar. Blend everything for a few seconds, then transfer to a clean container. To use, take around 2 tablespoons, to apply all over your body in the shower. Another recipe. There is another way of preparing this scrub. Process 1 cup of rose petals in a food processor, to make the small flakes. This way you will avoid clogging your shower with the petals. The next step is to move the rose flakes to a large bowl, and add in it 2 cups of white sugar, and mix. Take another bowl, and add in 2/3 cup of carrier oil. It can be fractionated coconut oil, or sweet almond oil, for example, and 5-10 drops of geranium essential oil, and stir well. Pour the essential and carrier oil mixture into the bowl with rose petals, and mix everything to combine. Basically the scrub is ready. Try it to see if you like the texture. You can add more carrier oil to make it oilier. Adding more sugar will make it drier. Once you are satisfied, transfer the scrub into a mason jar, and keep it for about a month. Don't let water get inside. The benefits of the ingredients. Rose petals were used for beauty purposes since ancient times. They cleanse the skin, unclog pores, and promote skin youthfulness, due to the high antioxidant content. Coconut oil gets easily absorbed by the skin, so it moisturizes it properly, and you don't even need a moisturizer after using this scrub. White sugar gently exfoliates the skin, due to its mild abrasive texture. It can also improve the blood circulation in the skin, to make it look smoother and healthier.